Join me as I dive into the challenge of getting my Maruti Suzuki Swift ready for the ultimate diesel service. Can I do it all myself? Today, I want to talk about something that's really important for all you Maruti Suzuki Swift diesel owners out there, the importance of using a service kit specifically designed for your vehicle. It's not just about getting any old service kit off the shelf, it's about getting one that's tailored to the unique needs of your diesel engine. When you neglect diesel vehicle maintenance, you're opening yourself up to a world of problems. From decreased fuel efficiency to poor engine performance, and even complete engine failure in extreme cases. And if you're using a generic service kit, you're just adding fuel to the fire. These kits might be cheaper, but they're not designed with your specific vehicle in mind, and can actually do more harm than good. For example, using the wrong type of oil filter can cause contamination and damage to your engine, leading to costly repairs down the line. Another common issue is dirty fuel injectors. If you're not using a service kit that's designed to clean and maintain your fuel injectors, you're going to start seeing decreased performance and fuel efficiency over time. And if left unchecked, this can lead to serious problems like uneven engine idle and even stalling. And let's not forget about the air filter. A dirty air filter can decrease your engine's performance and fuel efficiency, and can even cause damage to your engine over time. But the consequences of using generic service kits go beyond just performance issues. They can also lead to safety risks. For example, if your brake pads are worn out and not properly maintained, you're putting yourself and others at risk on the road. And if your suspension is out of whack, you're compromising your vehicle's handling and stability. So, what's in the Maruti Suzuki Swift diesel service kit that makes it so special? Well, first and foremost, it includes high-quality oil filters that are specifically designed to meet the needs of your diesel engine. These filters are built to handle the high pressure and flow rate of diesel fuel, and are designed to capture even the smallest impurities. Next, it includes fuel injectors that are designed to maintain optimal fuel pressure and flow rate, ensuring that your engine is running at peak performance. And finally, it includes a high-quality air filter that's designed to capture even the smallest particles, ensuring that your engine is breathing easily and efficiently. The air filter is especially important in dusty or polluted areas, where the air is thick with contaminants. In these cases, a high-quality air filter can make all the difference in terms of performance and fuel efficiency. And let's not forget about the brake pads and suspension components that are included in the kit. These are designed to meet the specific needs of your vehicle, and are built to last. I've seen firsthand the difference that a proper service kit can make in vehicle performance and longevity. I had a friend who owned a Maruti Suzuki Swift diesel, and he was always using generic service kits to try and save a buck. But over time, he started noticing decreased performance and fuel efficiency, and eventually, his engine started to develop serious problems. It wasn't until he switched to a proper service kit that he was able to get his vehicle running like new again. In fact, I've seen cases where vehicles have been driven for hundreds of thousands of kilometers without major issues, simply because their owners took the time to use a proper service kit. It's all about investing in your vehicle's future, and taking the necessary steps to ensure that it's running at peak performance. In conclusion, using a service kit specifically designed for your Maruti Suzuki Swift diesel is crucial for maintaining optimal vehicle performance and longevity. Don't risk your vehicle's health, and your safety on the road, by using generic service kits. Invest in a quality kit, and reap the rewards for years to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment below with your own service experiences. And if you're looking for more vehicle maintenance tips, be sure to check out my next video where I'll be discussing the importance of regular tire rotations.